In this video, I'm going to share with you a behind the scenes video that I took and shared with my patrons about 9 months ago when Brad and I flew out to Louisiana to film the Tombstone Home Theater. Now, this is an incredible home theater. I'll leave a link down in the description to the full tour, but this is really just a behind the scenes. So I wanted to give you a chance to check that out, since typically you only get access to that over on Patreon. So if you want more videos like this and enjoy this type of content, head over to patreon.com/youthman and sign up today. Hey patrons, hope you guys are having a fantastic week. I wanted to give you a little behind the scenes look at Tully's home theater as we walk in the hallway towards his home theater. He's all about horses, Western theme. We got his branding logo here. We just wrapped up filming. You can see Brad is in here packing stuff away. Yeah, it's just like a little sitting room that he's got. Again, he's all about Western. But check this out. So as we come down the hallway, he asked all of his guests to wear hats. I wore a hat in the video. You open up this door, and it's gonna be different themed. It's real dim in here, but we had all the lights on. So you'll see that in the video, but he's got various guns right here. And all of these kind of have a story of why he chose them. Got some bullets and bullet casings down here. See some of our lighting equipment. So this is, imagine in the Western theme, this is like a brothel. This is the bar. We've got a painting of Clint Eastwood here. Check that out, custom painting. I'll go ahead and show you right to the right of this is the equipment rack. So you guys are kind of getting behind the scenes as always. So you walk in here, got all the controls here. That's mostly like, I believe, like lighting controls, control 4, things like that. And then here, there we go. Let's open this up. We've got Trinov amplifiers up top. Another Trinov amplifier here, amplitude. Got the Trinov, another amplitude. Then we've got the altitude 32 processor here. Mad VR, Kaleidescape, an Ascendo subwoofer at the bottom. Over here, some networking. Got Arachnus, control 4, got Kaleidescape, Triad, more Triad. Some of this I think is for outdoor, but it's also for just some speakers that are in the hallway. Kaleidescape, we've got an ATI amplifier, and then Coastal Source for an amplifier outside. And here, more networking. This is going to be part of the security system, keyboard. And then this is all battery backup right here. Check this out. So they were just explaining how the battery backup will allow them, if power goes out, it'll keep the entire system in the theater room running for like 6 seconds, so that the generator for the house can keep up. So look at this. It's gonna be kind of hard to see. Look at those jokers right there. That's some serious power. So that's the battery backup. But look at, I always love looking at Atlanta Home Theater. They did all the wiring. I mean, this is like an art form right here. Just how nice and neat and tidy all of these wires are. And then this is actually pretty cool too here. So you see the grates. So these, you literally could lift up and have access to slide down under there to get access to some of the cabling and the wiring if you need to replace something. Got more just really tidy wires. Sorry for the lighting, it'll be better in the full video, but I wanted to give you guys early access. You guys rock, you know that. And then check this out. So he's got the same projector, the $1 million Star Wars home theater. So this is Charlie's father-in-law's place, but he's got a custom bracket here, and then up at the top, oh, went too far, GTZ 380. And you'll see why we needed a GTZ 380 for his theater room. Let me zoom back out. All right, let me show you some more. So walk out of here. Shut this door behind me. So the theme here is like a brothel. So we got brothel bench here, and back in the Western, you know, the guys would sit there and wait to go upstairs and do some little hanky-panky with the women. This little guy right here, this is a custom bronze statue that he commissioned to be made. This dude is awesome looking. Look at the detail in that. Charlie, what's up, buddy?
What's up?
So you remember Charlie from the Star Wars home theater. And then these are family guns right here. These are owned by some of the family. Check these out, man. The belt buckle is symbolic of some of his family. I think he said his dad, like his birth date. So just some cool guns there. More guns over here. So you can see Tully loves anything Western. All of these have kind of a story. And so we captured that in the video, but I wanted to kind of give you guys behind the scenes, some Indian stuff. Now watch this. So up here, more bronze. This lady is just awesome. She's gorgeous. She's bad mama jama. She'll mess you up. And then back up here, go ahead and head on in, Brad. I'm gonna hit this button. So Tully really liked the idea that Charlie had in his Star Wars home theater, but he said, hey, can I get double doors? And he was like, absolutely. So we come over here, hit this button, and just boom. So same size screen as Charlie, but check out this Western thing. So these guys are working hard while I'm just farting around on a video. But I just want to give y'all guys a kind of behind the scenes look at this thing, man. It's incredible. So 12 theater seats. Just gives the vibe of in the middle of the town. And what Tully was sharing with us is each one of these names up here are family members. Grace. We got Alan. Up here we got Lester. And the Tully Saloon over there. But just beautiful work. And this guy sitting down right here, he made it all come together. Working with a bunch of people, making it happen. We're tired. It's been a long day, but it's been an amazing day. We got here late last night, and then we started filming this morning. Oh, got over here about 9 a.m. And we've been going steady since. Let's see, what time is it, Charlie? 8?
9:53.
Sorry, it's almost 10. But we just finished up. We're gonna wrap up, clean up, head to the hotel tonight, get a good night's rest. Me and Brad's heading back to Florida tomorrow, and it'll take me probably 2 weeks to edit this video, but it's a cool story. I can't wait for you guys to see the full video. There's a GTZ 380 right there, but Just a super dope room. So hope you guys have an incredible week, man. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you when I get back home. We'll do our next Zoom. Have to look and see what date that's going to be, but I'll let you know. So God bless, guys. Take care.